Alrighty, so we've got all the springs, retainers, and valve keepers in on both sides. Kyler has cleaned up the transmission a little bit, made it look a lot nicer. And then it looks like he also spray painted the intake to make it look all nice and fancy. So now I've got to dig through one of these boxes and find the camshaft, cam caps, and all the bolts, and finish putting the head together, and put it on the block. You know you're rich when you have one of these little things that go to your house and pick up parts. Oh, here's the shit. I was looking in the wrong box. Here's all the stuff I need. Let's grab all that. Oh, I got my zoom lens on.
Zoom in on this mug.
Hell yeah, brother. Do they not come with like thread lube or whatever? I think ARP usually does.
ARP, yeah, because they're
I
hard.
remember, like, I'm not an engine builder, so.
This is my first engine I've ever built.
You definitely blew up a lot.
What?
What? All right, let's get these mugs torqued down.
What is the twerk pattern in?
We're about to look it up. But I'm pretty sure it's the same as what we did with the mains.
Dude, saw my dad today, right?
Yeah?
He's like, hey, where the fuck did you get that hat? It was pretty badass, ain't it? He said, where the fuck did you get that hat at? Well, my buddy got it for me at the race. And then I was standing there pumping gas for Beth today. Dude's like, I like your hat. He's in his Sunday best. He's like, I like your hat. And I'm like, thanks, bud. Homie got it for me at the race. Dude, my dad, though, was like, where the fuck did you get that hat? I was like, what?
Oh, Till.
Till.
You gonna make me torque these too?
Nah, I'll twerk. Set them up. Set me up. I'm twerking.
22. If anyone wants to buy me one of these, just, you know the P.O. box.
You know the P.O. box.
I'll buy one day. It's just the Harbor Freight gets her done. All right, 1, 2.
Good job.
Let's go.
Outstanding performance, Kyler Walker. Outstanding performance.
All right, now oil pan.
That's a long block. Just like that.
Yeah, everything stays right there.
All right, Kyler, how do you feel?
Relieved. I hate fucking head bolts. All right.
All right, so we got the long block together basically. We got all the bottom done. Got to move on to the head. Earlier I was putting the cams in and I don't know what I was thinking because we were still missing these guys. So need to put these in and then the cams. So Tyler Jones and Kyler dropped these when they disassemble the motor, so I'm really hoping they're all the same. So we will see. No, no sir.
Okay, good.
Making damn sure.
Does it say 22?
20 foot-pounds through 1 through 10.
1 through. That's a lot on a 10 mil bolt.
For 20 foot-pounds. Yeah.
I want to check another site before I do that. All right, it's looking like 20.
Huh?
Looking like 20. Are you not even gonna come over here and sit with me?
Do you want me to? You need me to?
No, you're fine. 20 foot-pounds. Are we recording? Okay. Let's get it. 1 through 10, 20 foot-pounds. Start on the intake side. Well,
No.
Let's just hope to God it didn't break inside.
We can't use that bolt, so we can't torque them out.
It's working.
No, dude, I'm not. No. No. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't run that in the LS. I'm not running it in this.
It'll be fine. What the fuck? Bro,
What? What?
I give up.
Show the camera. Show the camera what you did, Jared. Dude, what the fuck? How has that happened?
No, that was me trying to get the cap off. One of those moments you should just listen to Kyler. No, there's a kicker.
Huh?
That bolt did snap. It just came out, but now it's back in there.
Huh? Like it just snapped off in there?
That's why I was taking the cap off. I don't know how we're gonna fix it now. Well, that's the end of this video, sadly. I was really wanting to end this with the motor completely timed, clutch on, and make the transmission. But like I said, we all make mistakes. It kind of sucks. It's really embarrassing. But you know, it's kind of one of those things that like, I could edit it out and make it look like nothing ever happened and just make something up of why this didn't get done. But I kind of want to show people that shit happens and there's ways to fix it and can keep progressing. You can't let stuff like this bring you down and just make a project go to a halt. There's ways to fix this. I can buy the cam cap. Hopefully we can easy out that. If not, we can take it to a machine shop, let them do their magic. If that doesn't happen, then we'll just get another head. I'll buy Kyler another head. Shit happens. It's how you fix the shit when you fuck up is what really matters. So with that being said, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you next one. Peace.
This is the B series. It go wing pow.
I only went to Japan one time.
Banjo the A Infinity.
Banjo.
To
Bing,
go.
bing, 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 bing.